Your first alert weather.
All right, we talked about a change coming through for this week, and sure enough, we are getting that change today with thunderstorms showing up. The thunderstorms and clouds, the humidity, bringing down the temperature so we're not scorching hot outside. Yesterday, though, we did break a record in Idaho Falls. We got to 99 degrees at the airport, and that broke a record of 98 degrees. But today, you've noticed it was cooler this afternoon, and you can feel some of that moisture in the air. We have more of the scattered thunderstorms showing up this afternoon and evening. Highs into the 80s and 90s for your Tuesday, and from those developing and dying thunderstorms, gusty winds. Along with the winds and the threat for lightning, that's led the National Weather Service to issue a red flag warning. This is going to last through tomorrow night. And again, pretty much everybody in the sound of my voice and all across Idaho and Wyoming under the fire weather warning. We also call it a red flag warning. Again, the fire danger elevated with the threat for thunderstorms, gusty winds, and it's just been so dry over the past few weeks. In fact, actually the past few months where we haven't really seen any good rain. We got some thunderstorms right now moving through the region. We've had some passing showers throughout the day in areas of central Idaho, but nothing severe, just some light rain at times, enough to get the ground wet in a few spots. A few rumbles of thunder with thunderstorms coming through Star Valley, Lincoln County, Wyoming, and moving up through the national parks. Also been seeing some light rain off and on this afternoon around Jackson, and we have more thunderstorms getting in here from the south out of areas like Twin Falls, and we're just starting to see more of those thunderclouds get into the Snake River Plain for this evening. And we're down a bit temperature-wise. Look at this, only 80 degrees right now at the Idaho Falls Airport. We hit our high early this afternoon, about 1 o'clock this afternoon, and now with the arrival of more of these thunderclouds, our numbers are dropping thanks to some evaporative cooling. Also to note, with the arrival of this moisture and the wind direction picking up out of the south just a bit, we're pushing back on some of the smoke. And the smoke is going to be really bad in North Idaho, parts of central Idaho, and southwestern Idaho. However, we're thinning out the smoke on our side of the state and through areas of western Wyoming. High pressure continuing to spin up that monsoonal moisture as we get through the next couple of days. That's going to trigger in the thunderstorm threat. And as we go to Viper tonight, about 8, 9 o'clock, some thunder showers showing up and passing through the Snake River Plain tonight. We could even have some late night, around midnight, good little gully washers in areas like the Snake Highlands, but we're not expected to see anything severe tonight, just some quick passing showers. As we get into Tuesday morning, it's going to be sunny in the morning with clouds building up throughout the afternoon and more of the thunderstorms showing up Tuesday evening. 90 degrees in Preston tomorrow with 89 in McCammon, highs around 85 for Lava Hot Springs with highs at 83 in Jackson, 81 for the high in Island Park with 86 for Rexburg and St. Anthony. We'll be in the mid 80s for Chows, lower 90s in Salmon with 85 in Arco, and we'll be just getting to 90 tomorrow for the high in Idaho Falls, 93 in Pocatello, and 89 for Burley. Temperatures in the extended forecast for tomorrow. Highs hitting the low 90s for Blackfoot. We'll carry the low 90s for the rest of this work week and beyond. I mean, numbers are going to try to warm back up at times, but we're really keeping a fairly consistent forecast here with just occasional thunderstorms out there. Rexburg a high of 86 for tomorrow, 92 for Wednesday and Thursday. We'll carry the lower 90s in there for Friday and Saturday as well. Salmon a high of 90 for tomorrow, 93 on Wednesday. We're expecting to pick up on a threat for some thunderstorms tonight and tomorrow, but things looking nicer for the weekend with highs in the low 90s with mostly sunny conditions. Jackson 88 and 89 for your Wednesday and Thursday. But look at this, a high of only 83 for tomorrow. So the temperatures are picking up here for Jackson and areas near the Tetons with highs this weekend very close to 90. Pocatello, highs for the rest of this week into the low to mid 90s. We'll see 95 on Wednesday, 93 on Thursday. We're just kind of flirting with 95 degrees for the high for the rest of this week and beyond with a slight chance of a weekend thunderstorm. Idaho Falls, some thunderstorms for today, tonight, and through tomorrow with highs in the upper 80s for Tuesday, low 90s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. In fact, it's very consistent temperature-wise as we get through much of that 8-day forecast all the way through the weekend. Our John Adams GMC Spirit of Idaho. I picked this one in honor of sports because we have a lot of chuckers talk around here lately with summertime. This was called a purple ball game with the clouds, but you know, kind of see the sun setting underneath these developing or passing thunderstorms, and you get those cool colors at the Melaleuca Field there. So there you go.
That looks like a nice night.
We'd like to see your photos. Go to news3now.com, and under the weather tab on our website, you have to hit weather, and then under that you hit Spirit of Idaho, and that's the website you need to be on to upload your photos.
Okay.
But yeah, chuckers.
So with that, now the Chuckers have to focus on the second half of the season.
Yeah, they do, and things were heating up a little bit over the weekend. Coming up, tensions arose between the Chuckers and Raptors in Ogden yesterday. We'll show you what happened and preview tonight's rubber